Hi guys, so I was playing with some construction toys and I'll show you each one of them. The construction crew just made a cookie. So the excavator digs out one chocolate chip. Bulldozer, it moves things. Okay, it moved it. Next one that arrives is
backhoe.
Kind of like a tractor, but it has an excavator thing on the back, so it can dig. So first, it's going to push one, then it's going to dig one. It can do both of those things. Okay, I'm just gonna fill in the gaps real quick. The next one that arrives is the cement mixer. They hold concrete inside of them, and to keep it from drying up, they mix. So it's not gonna do anything, I'm just gonna put it right here. Then the next one that arrives is the forklift. It can lift things up. Well, it doesn't even work that good on sand, but it's just funny to do it. But it can pick things up like this rock. Then the next one that arrives is the road roller. Its job is to smooth things. It can't smooth gigantic holes, but it can make things like pretty. So this is a road roller. Then the next one that arrives is the
front loader.
Picks things up and then moves it. And then it puts it down. Well, usually it moves it to a different area. This is the dump truck. So you guys are probably familiar with the dump truck because it's actually very popular. And carry sand. The excavators help to put it in. A mini excavator arrives. It's just like this big excavator, but smaller and has wheels. Pretty fast and can rotate a lot. So this does the same thing as a normal excavator. I drove an excavator, as you can see here. Then the next one that arrives is the skid steer. Oops, it tipped over. It kind of does the same thing as a bulldozer and a front loader.
Crane truck.
Up and down. Then the last thing we have is a turtle. Hey, how did you sneak into the construction site? You better not touch that gigantic cookie the crew was building. I'm gonna touch that cookie. No, don't touch that cookie, turtle. Guys, I think he got his head stuck. Yeah, somebody please help me. Fine, the crane will get you out. Beep, beep, beep. Hook. Okay, it's hooking on. Beep, 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 beep. I got sand in my mouth. That was your fault, remember? Yeah, I remember. But that's not gonna stop me from eating those sweet chocolate chips. Whee! So, I am going to introduce the signs. Okay, just gonna go over here. Okay, so what I've got here is a thing kind of like a traffic cone, but it's actually a painted barrel. And it has the same colors as a traffic cone. What colors does a traffic cone have? Orange and white. What color am I? You guessed it. You're right. It's yellow and green. How are you so smart? Okay, so I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've got 5 of them. I'm gonna drag something. So we've got this tiny sign that warns people not to go here. And when there's construction work nearby, like right here. So I'm gonna place 3 of these. 1, 2, 3. Okay, let me grab something else. So right here, we've got a sign. And you might be asking to yourself, what does this arrow on the sign mean and why is it curved? The curved arrow means you should take a detour and shouldn't go here because there is construction work. So we have how many signs? 1. Let me place this down right here. So we've got this sign. Listen for the person with the slow and stop sign. Because usually when you're going through an area with construction, if you are allowed to, there's gonna be a person that has a slow and stop flag. Just let me place this right here. Okay, gonna get another sign. Next, we've got the most simplest sign, construction work, which means there is construction work. Place this right here. We've got the good old traffic cone, which means you probably shouldn't pass the line of traffic cones. Done. 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 How many traffic cones are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 whole traffic cones. Let's count how many there are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the most objects we have. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to hit that like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time with Goosey Goosey.